Yellowstone National Park, established by the U.S. Congress and signed into law by President Ulysses S. Grant on March 1, 1872. This national park located primarily in the U.S. state of Wyoming, although it also extends into Montana and Idaho. Yellowstone was the first national park in the world and is known for its wildlife and its many geothermal features, especially Old Faithful Geyser. One of the most popular features in the park, it is many types of ecosystem, but the subpine forest is dominant. Yellowstone National Park's mile-long Upper Geyser Basin contains the world's greatest concentration of hot springs and geysers. These local hot wonders are the evidence of the world's biggest volcano's extents. This picture is the Yellowstone fires of 1988. Most of the forests were destroyed. However, to some degree, it's a good thing for the Yellowstone forests, because before the wildfire, the forest was corroded by a kind of beetles. The fire not only burnt the trees but also burnt the beetles. In fact, Yellowstone is a volcanic vent. It never erupted in human history. Yellowstone Lake is one of the largest high-altitude lakes in the North America. It is concentrated over the Yellowstone caldera, the largest supervolcano on the continent. The caldera is considered an active volcano. It has erupted with tremendous force several times in the last 2 million years. Half of the world's geothermal features are Yellowstone, flooded by this ongoing volcanism. Lava flows and rocks. Volcanic eruptions cover most of the land area of Yellowstone. The park is the centerpiece of the Greater Yellowstone ecosystem, the largest remain near intact ecosystem in the Earth's northern temperature zone. Yellowstone is widely considered to be the tiniest migratory wildlife habitat in the lower 48 states. There are almost 60 species of animals in the park, including gray wolf and threatened lynx and grizzly bears. Other large mammals include the bison, black bear, elk, moose, roe deer, white-tailed deer, mountain goat, pronghorn, bighorn sheep, and mountain lion. The Yellowstone Park Basin herd is the largest public herd of American bison in the United States. The relatively large bison populations are the concern of the ranchers, who fear that the species can transmit bovine diseases to their domestic cousins. In fact, about half of the Yellowstone basin have been exposed to the brucellosis and bacterial disease, and they come to the North America with European cattle, and many cause cattle to miscarry. The disease has little effect on the park basin, and no reported case transmission from the wild basin to domestic livestock has been felt. However, the Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service has studied a basin as likely source of the spread of the disease in the cattle in Wyoming and North Dakota. Elk also carry the disease and are believed to have transmitted infection to horses and cattle. basin once number of between 30 to 60 million individuals throughout North America, and Yellowstone remains one of the largest strongholds. The Yellowstone Park Basin herd is believed to be one of the 4 free, remaining and genetically pure herds on the public lands in North America.